Welcome back to the Auto Chapter. I'm glad to have you here again. Today we're taking a deep and detailed look at one of the most iconic luxury sedans in the world, the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. For decades, the S-Class has set the benchmark for what a flagship luxury car should be, and the 2026 model continues that legacy with refined design, cutting-edge technology, effortless performance, and an interior that feels more like a first-class lounge than a car. This is the sedan that other luxury brands measure themselves against. So let's dive in and see what makes the 2026 S-Class so special. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class stays elegant rather than aggressive, which is exactly what buyers in this segment expect. The design is smooth, aerodynamic, and sophisticated, with subtle updates that keep it looking fresh without losing its timeless appeal. At the front, you'll notice a slightly revised grille that's wider and more sculpted, featuring the iconic Mercedes star proudly centered. The LED headlights are slimmer and more advanced than ever, with enhanced digital light technology that can adapt beam patterns in real time for better visibility and safety. The front bumper has been refined with cleaner lines, giving the car a more confident and planted stance on the road. From the side, the S-Class looks long, low, and graceful. The flowing body lines emphasize its length, while flush door handles not only look modern, but also help improve aerodynamics. Depending on the trim, you can get elegant, multi-spoke alloy wheels that range from 19 to 21 inches, perfectly filling the wheel arches and adding to the premium presence. Around the back, the LED taillights have a sleek, horizontal design that makes the car appear wider, and the rear bumper integrates subtle, chrome accents for a touch of luxury without being over the top. Overall, the exterior design of the 2026 S-Class is all about quiet confidence, and it definitely turns heads without needing to shout. Now let's talk about performance. Because even though the S-Class is known for comfort, it still delivers impressive power and refinement. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class comes with a range of advanced engine options, starting with a turbocharged inline-six paired with a mild hybrid system. This setup delivers smooth and responsive acceleration, while improving fuel efficiency, producing around 375 horsepower, which is more than enough for effortless highway cruising and confident overtaking. For those who want more power, the V8 option returns with electrification, offering significantly more horsepower and torque while maintaining the silky smooth driving experience the S-Class is famous for. The transmission is a refined automatic that shifts seamlessly, and power is delivered to the wheels with incredible smoothness. Mercedes' advanced air suspension comes standard, allowing the car to glide over rough roads while keeping the cabin calm and composed. The suspension automatically adjusts to road conditions, and in higher trims, the car can even lean into corners slightly to improve comfort for passengers. Steering is light and precise, making this large sedan surprisingly easy to drive in city traffic and extremely stable at high speeds. On the highway, the S-Class feels almost effortless, soaking up miles with minimal road noise and vibration. It's not a sports sedan, but it doesn't need to be. Its performance is all about refinement, confidence, and quiet strength. Moving inside, this is where the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class truly separates itself from almost everything else on the road. The interior is a masterpiece of luxury, technology, and craftsmanship. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by premium materials everywhere you look and touch, including high-quality leather, real wood trim, brushed metal accents, and customizable ambient lighting that can transform the mood of the cabin. The dashboard is clean and modern, dominated by a large central touchscreen that controls most of the car's functions, while a digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, providing crisp and customizable driving information. The infotainment system is Mercedes' latest MBUX interface, and it's faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever. Voice commands work exceptionally well, allowing you to control navigation, climate, media, and more just by speaking naturally. The system also learns your preferences over time, making the experience feel more personalized the longer you own the car. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium sound system that delivers rich, immersive audio throughout the cabin. Comfort is a top priority in the S-Class, and it shows in the seating. The front seats are incredibly supportive and offer multiple adjustments, heating, ventilation, and massage functions. In the rear, especially in long wheelbase versions, passengers are treated to a truly first-class experience. There's generous legroom, reclining seats, individual climate controls, and optional rear seat entertainment. Screens that turn the back seat into a private lounge. Whether you're being driven or driving yourself, the S-Class makes every journey feel special. Safety and driver assistance features are also a major highlight. The 2026 S-Class comes packed with advanced systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and more. These features work together seamlessly to reduce stress and enhance confidence behind the wheel. Mercedes continues to push the boundaries of semi-autonomous driving, making the S-Class one of the most technologically advanced sedans available today. Now let's talk about price, because luxury at this level doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is expected to start at around $115,000 for the base model, with prices climbing significantly as you move up through trims and add options. Fully loaded versions with higher-end engines, advanced rear seat packages, and premium materials can easily exceed $150,000. While that's a serious investment, buyers aren't just paying for a car. They're paying for comfort, innovation, prestige, and an experience that few other vehicles can match. In the end, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class continues to define what a flagship luxury sedan should be. It offers elegant design, smooth and confident performance, an interior that feels like a luxury retreat, and cutting-edge technology that makes every drive safer and more enjoyable. If you're looking for the ultimate expression of comfort and sophistication on four wheels, the S-Class remains the gold standard. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury car content. Let me know your thoughts about the new S-Class in the comments below. And as always, see you in the next video.